before we get started, let's check out the links in my description. We all want nice things. We want the car, we want a house, we want a high limit credit card. But if you don't have at least a 680 credit score, you're not even in the game. So click this link here to know where you stand and get your free credit scores from all three bureaus. That will be Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. And also get your reports. If you would like to be free and become financially independent through entrepreneurship, click this link here to be free. If you'd like to get cash back, which is a discount during shopping, please click this link here to see my favorite cashback sites. And if you enjoy the music you hear in the background, please click the link here and subscribe to It's Oasis. Hello everyone, welcome back to Community Wealth. Today I'm going to go through my Coinbase account, alright? What I'm going to do with Coinbase is I'm going to talk to you about the history of my Coinbase account. I don't have a lot in Coinbase, so don't be alarmed. I mean, it's not a lot at all. I mean, I'm not going to tell you how much. You have to see for yourself. But I'm going to tell you the history behind it and how it got to where it is now, even though it's not a lot at all. And it's really not. And the main reason I'm doing this video is I'm going to show you how to get the free coins that Coinbase offers you. But before we get into that, if you would like to know your Fico scores and what's on your reports for all three of the bureaus, Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian, click the credit monitoring link in the description below. If you would like to make $500 to $1,000 plus per week using your vehicle on your own time, click the Wealth Dasher link in the description below. If you don't want to use your vehicle or you don't have one, you can click the Wealth Hire Car link in the description below, and that way you can then in turn Wealth Dash and still make $500 to $1,000 plus per week on your own time. You want to know how I got 5 properties for $5,500? Click the Be Free link in the description below. And with it still being holiday season, the shopping season, gift giving season, and you'll be shopping beyond this time, you want to get cash back while you're doing it. So you can do that by clicking the Cashback link in the description below. Now let's get into this Coinbase situation. Okay, so here's my Coinbase account, alright? Here I am. I told you it's not a lot of money. It's not a lot. But here's the history behind this, alright? I actually got a little bit of this. It's free coin. I got maybe like, I'll say maybe let's say $4. So I got $4 earned. So I got $4 in free coin from this. So that means behind this is $56 that was there, right? So out of this $56 that was there, it was generated from under $1. Back when Bitcoin was like around $300-400 a coin, maybe I say $400 or $5 a coin, $300 to $5 a coin, somewhere in there. I was messing around. I had got this account way back when. I think that was around 2016, 17, somewhere in there. I was messing around and I had probably about $500, but I lost it. I was doing what they call triples and doublers, right? And I ended up losing the money. But I left like 90 something cent in here. And so when I started seeing coins go up, you know, back, I say maybe 2017 or 19, whenever it was. No, 2019. When Bitcoin jumped up to 27,000 a coin, I looked and said, oh, I got $27, but I still didn't think nothing about it. But then around last year, when it went up to 24,000, I looked, and that's when I said, okay, there's something here. All right. So my Bitcoin that I had in here that was 90 something cents is now $56. And it went all the way up to like 70 something bucks. No, it was like $68, I think it was, when the high was 69,000, I think, per coin. So it went all the way up to $68. That was my Bitcoin from 91, 94. I don't know how much exactly it was, but it was like 90 something cents in Bitcoin I had sitting here since 2017. And this is what I got from 90 something cents. And then $4 in free coins. All right, this is what it is right here. All right. It might be a little less. Let me see. Because wherever the coins are at. So here's my Bitcoin 5361. Here's the graph. All right. And here is Loop Ring. These are my free coins. Loop Ring and the graph are my these are my free coins right here. Okay. So I guess this is this is Loop Ring. Okay. I got $4. I don't know how much in Loop Ring I actually got, but this is what it is. Let me see. How much Loop Ring I got. Okay, so here's my Loop Ring. Oh, this is the graph. This is the graph. I'm looking at the graph. Okay, here's my graph. Okay, so here's what I'm at. This is what I got from the graph. I got $3.60. So $3.60 I got with the graph. And y'all have me see Loop Ring. Why y'all didn't stop me? Let me see what I got with Loop Ring. So Loop Ring is $2.45. I have $2.64 in Loop Ring. No. Well, is this what I have in Loop Ring? Okay, so it's down. So this is what I have in Loop Ring right here. This is me. I have 108 in Loop Ring. Okay. So I have 108 in Loop Ring. Let me go back to the graph then. So I was wrong with the graph. Let's see. Okay, so this is what I got then. So I got this with the graph then. So this is what I have. So I have 410 in graph. 410. Okay, that's cool. I got 410 in graph. All right. So that's where I'm at. I got 410 in graph. All right. So, but those are my free coins. The graph and Loop Ring are my free coins. And I guess you could say this is free money from Bitcoin because I was sitting on okay, so this is my Bitcoin wallet right here. Alright. So this is what it's worth. Okay. So this is where I'm at. So that was my okay, so in the parentheses that's what it's worth in okay. So what y'all saw, I'm getting it now. So this is what I got in Bitcoin. 5351 is my Bitcoin. And Bitcoin is now at 54,822. So I got $53. All right. So that was like 90 something cents. So let me go back to my graph again. Let me go back to that. Okay. So this is what I have in Bitcoin, and this is what I have in graph, which is 360. This is what I have in 360. And this is what I have in Loop Ring. I got $2.66 in Loop Ring. So this is what I have right here. I gotta remember that. I don't come here often, as you can see, but so this is what I have in Bitcoin. This is what I have in graph. And this is what I have in Loop Ring. All right. No, this is part of like the Bitcoin thing. So I didn't even buy any of this stuff. I guess they split it up when I had my 91 cent. So I guess it goes over here too. So I got Bitcoin Cash 54 cent. I got Bitcoin SV at 14 cent. All right. So this is what I have. I don't remember doing any of this, but this is what they gave me. I'm not complaining. All right. So let me go into the free coin stuff. All right. Earn $15 more by learning about new assets. So what you do, here it is, Clover Finance. Clover Finance is $1 for each of these. It takes about a minute to do them. So every time I finish one of these, I'll get $1. So 1, 2, 3, I'll get over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's $5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's $5 for each of these. Are going to take a minute each time. So that's with Clover Finance. All right. And here it is, $10 for this. So $2 for each one of these. This is like 2 minutes for this one, 3 minutes for this one, 2 minutes for that one. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8. I mean, it's 2, 4, 6. What I'm talking about? 2, 4, 6. Here the other two. 3 minutes for this one, and 3 minutes for this one. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That's $10 for that. So let me show you how to do it. I'm gonna go through this, and so this video is gonna be a little longer than I expected it to be, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it anyway. So let's go and start the lesson. Clover is a blockchain infrastructure platform that aims to help developers create fast, secure, decentralized apps. Built on Polkadot, Clover focuses on cross-chain compatibility and supports multiple environments for developing dApps. dApps deployed on Clover can connect to multiple blockchains in parallel, helping improve usability and efficiency. The Clover protocol has 4 layers. The first 2 layers, smart contract and storage, allow developers to deploy and host their dApps. The third layer, the DeFi protocol layer, simplifies interacting with dApps across blockchains and allows developers to create new DeFi products. Finally, Clover's eApp external app layer allows developers to deploy dApps to Clover where they can run independently without centralized services. I don't know what they were talking about, but what can developers build with Clover? So I'm going to say this. So I just earned $1 for that. See how easy that is? See how simple that was. So you can go back here. Okay, so you go down here and you click next lesson. We're going to do one more, then I'm going to go to the other one. Come back to this later. Clover aims to make using dApps easy for users and creating dApps easy for developers. Users can download Clover Wallet for iOS, Android, or Chrome to manage funds and interact with dApps across many blockchains. Users of Clover dApps can benefit from fast, low-cost transactions while accessing an entirely new range of multi-chain features. The platform is also governed by the Clover community, who proposes, votes, and implements changes through on-chain governance. CLV is Clover's native utility token, is used to pay fees and for incentives like rewarding users for participating in staking. The CLV token is also cross-chain compatible thanks to the Clover Bridge, which allows funds to move between chains. What can you use to interact with dApps? Oh, okay. Clover Wallet. Okay, so you just earned $1 in CLV. Okay, so I'm going to come back to this, right? Now that was the Clover one. Now I'm going to go over and show you one of the Stellar Lumens. I'm going to do a 2-minute one. I'm going to do a 2-minute one, right? What is Stellar? What is Stellar? Today's global financial infrastructure. There are a lot of different currencies, a lot of different payment systems. Each one speaks a different language, so they have a hard time understanding each other, which makes moving money slow and expensive. And a lot gets lost in translation. Stellar's vision is to unite the world's financial infrastructure, so money can flow quickly and cheaply between banks, businesses, and people. The internet connected the world's computers so information could be shared globally. Stellar is doing the same for money. To accomplish this vision and ensure integrity and neutrality, Stellar is not a bank or a business. Instead, it's a decentralized open network supported by a non-profit foundation that handles every currency and speaks to every payment system in its native language. This means businesses can move money globally in seconds, no matter what bank they use back home, and people all over the world can use Stellar to send money to family overseas, to convert one currency to another, or to make payments that are too small to cover. Fees traditionally charged by today's institutions in the future, Stellar hopes that you won't have to use traditional infrastructure to get your money where you want it to go. Instead, you'll just use Stellar. Okay. What is Stellar? What is Stellar? Select the answer to earn privacy, preserving cryptocurrency, the decentralized protocol that unites the world's financial infrastructure. Okay. All right. So that's pretty much all you're doing. All right. So I just earned $2 in Stellar, and I earned $2 in Clover. Okay. But I'm gonna come back and finish these on my own time. I just wanted to show you that it's not easy. So I just literally earned $4 in about 4 minutes. Okay, a free coin. Okay, let me show you where the free coin is gonna be at. I'm gonna come back to this. So now you see my free coin right here. Boom, 64.43. All right, I earned $8. You see it right here, $1.99 with Clover Finance, and what's the other one at? Where's my Stellar? I guess the Stellar didn't get added yet. Okay, where's my Stellar? So it didn't get added yet, but anyway, it's still gonna be on here because I see it up here already. I already see it because maybe I was at $60, and then I added the $2, and then the other $2, so that's 64 bucks. So anyway, but I got it. It'll show up soon. Let me go back to this. I want to see it. Hold on. See if we go back now. Let me see if it shows up. Well, it didn't show up yet. I'll check back later on that, but that's pretty much all you're doing. Just getting your free coin. Cause see, I got $8 earned, so you know, I know it's there. It'll show up later. So when I do an update video on some more coins you can earn, then you'll see the Stellar down here. But I just got it. So, but you see the Stellar Finance, right? Or you see the Clover Finance right here. You see it right here. So you know that they're giving this free coin, and you see this changed from 60 to $64, and I was just at 60 bucks, and none of this stuff changed. So if none of this changed, you know that 64, that other $2 is in there with the Stellar Finance. It just didn't show up in the list yet. But anyway, hope this helps you out how to get some free coin from Coinbase. You see the value of a lot of cryptocurrency. I know all of you guys know about Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is the boss. There's actually another one that's the boss that's bigger than Bitcoin. Well, I don't think it's bigger than Bitcoin. It was bigger than Bitcoin. At one point, it got all the way up to like 95,000 per coin. But anyway, but as you see, Bitcoin is the boss. That's the one that kicked it off. And you see, it's a whole other bunch of coins out here. And you see how I made $55+ with just off of under $1 in Bitcoin, like 90-something cent in Bitcoin. And also you see how free coins can grow too. See that? I got free coins on here. I know somebody who actually got free coins and they ended up with $8,000 off of free coins. But anyway, hope this information helped you out. Go ahead. If you want to go ahead and sign up for Coinbase, if you don't have an account, click the Coinbase link in the description. You get $10 when you sign up for Coinbase. I believe you have to deposit $100 or something like that. But anyway, even outside of that, you still get free coin. So sign up for Coinbase, get your free coin, get your $10, and you know, Thanks for watching. If you would like to know your FICO scores and what's on your reports from all three bureaus, TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian, click the credit monitoring link in the description below. If you would like to make $500 to $1,000 plus per week utilizing your vehicle on your own time, click the Wealth Dasher link in the description below. If you don't have a vehicle or you don't want to use your own vehicle, then click the Wealth Hire Car link in the description below. And that way you can hire a car and use that vehicle to then Wealth Dash and make $500 to $1,000 plus per week on your own time. If you want to know how I got 5 properties for $5,500, click the Be Free link in the description below. And if you'd like to get cash back while shopping online, click the Cashback link in the description below. Like, share the video, comment below, subscribe to the channel, subscribe to It's Oasis, and until the next video, let's get this money.